Have you ever looked at your bank statement and realized you're paying for like 5 different AI tools, but you only use 20% of what they offer? Or worse, you subscribe to a tool, and a week later you find out there's a free version that does almost the exact same thing. Yeah, I've been there. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools that can replace paid subscriptions for writing, images, video creation, and even AI voiceovers. And make sure you stick around until the end, because the last tool is something most creators are sleeping on. And if you're building a YouTube channel, doing affiliate marketing, or creating automated content, you seriously don't want to miss it. If you're into powerful AI tools that save time and help you make money online, go ahead and hit subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And watch this video all the way through, because one small detail could literally save you hundreds of dollars this year. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, I'm on my screen right now, and the first tool I want to show you is LM Arena. If you've used ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude and thought, man, I wish I didn't have to pay monthly for this, this is going to blow your mind. Once you land on LM Arena, click New Chat. Now you'll see something called Battle Mode. That's where 2 random AI models answer your question and you vote on the better one. It's cool, but that's not what we want. Click Direct Chat. Now up at the top, click Max. You'll see a huge list of AI models, basically everything you can think of. You can filter by brawn, writing, coding, web browsing, data analysis. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wasted time jumping between 3 different AI websites just to test which one works best? Here, you can test them all in one place. And if you're not sure which model is strongest, click Leaderboard. It ranks them based on performance. As new models get released, they show up here automatically. Personally, I use LM Arena for writing YouTube scripts, email marketing drafts, niche research, competitor breakdowns. And yes, it's free. If one model feels slow or not as sharp, just switch to another one instantly. Now let's talk images. I'm opening Gemini right now. In the image generation section, I'll type something like, within seconds it generates images. You can also upload an image and say something super useful for thumbnails, ad creatives, or testing visual ideas. Now, full transparency. Sometimes the quality isn't perfect, and occasionally you might see a watermark. And if traffic is high, you could hit a daily limit. But for brainstorming ideas or making quick thumbnails, it's incredibly powerful for free. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. AI video. I'm inside Meta AI right now. Click Create, and you'll see options for image or video. Here's my workflow. Step 1. Generate an image first. For example, it gives me 4 versions. I pick the one I like best. If it's not perfect, I hit Edit Image and adjust lighting, mood, or style. Step 2. Click Animate. You have 2 options. Let AI automatically animate it, or choose Custom Animate, and describe exactly how you want it to move. For example, slow camera zoom in, soft city light flickering, subtle motion in the background. And just like that, you've got a short cinematic clip ready for Shorts, Reels, TikTok, or YouTube. Have you ever spent hours editing B-roll footage? With this, you can build your entire visual story clip by clip in minutes. And from my experience, it hasn't limited me yet. Next up, AI voiceovers. I'm on Fish Audio right now. Go to My Voice, then Default Voice. You can preview different voices before choosing one. Then head over to Text-to-Speech. Let's type something like, click Generate. SpaceX's Starship really revolutionary for space travel? While the vehicle's fully reusable design and impressive payload capacity are groundbreaking, if you don't like how it sounds, just regenerate. There's also a voice cloning feature. You can upload a voice sample. Make sure you have permission, and it can create audio that sounds very similar. This is powerful if you run a faceless YouTube channel, create affiliate ads, automate educational content. It's simple, clean, and easy to use. Now let's check out Piclumen. Once you're on the site, click Launch App. Go to Image, then choose the model called Art V1. I'll type cute 3D cartoon robot holding a glowing AI brain, colorful futuristic background. Choose your aspect ratio. Set it to generate 2 images. The results are actually really nice. Slightly playful style. Great for thumbnails, branding, or social content. If you're building a personal brand and want a consistent visual style, this can help a lot. Last tool, Google Studio AI. Inside, Go to Playground, Rune Image Generation, Nano Banana. Type your prompt. Select your aspect ratio. Hit Run. Control + Enter. This tool is especially good for product mockups or commercial-style visuals. If you're doing affiliate marketing, imagine creating custom product images without paying for a designer. That's powerful. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools that can potentially replace expensive subscriptions. Now I'm curious, how many AI tools are you currently paying for each month? And which one from this video are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, I read every single one. If this video helped you discover something new or save money, hit that like button and subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. I'll keep sharing practical AI tools you can actually use to grow your income, automate your content, and stay ahead of the curve. And remember, if I can do it, you can too. And you can probably do it even better. I'll see you in the next video.